Like a hungry Billy man.
What's up, Billy?
Hey!
I'm hungry and pepper food.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about,
Welcome back to our channel. I am your girl Cavian.
Wagwan. I am your boy Billy, which is silly.
And from the title them below, know exactly know what come. I just want to say thanks to all my subscribers and welcome to all our new subbies.
Yes, subbies.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share.
Yeah, you see me? And if you don't know about Bell's TV yet, now link it up there, so you can just jump straight, click that and jump straight to the channel.
And don't forget to share it out to the family and friends.
You see me? Just say, down by the title down below, you know what go on. It's the hot spicy wing challenge.
Yep, guys.
You see me? So we just have a jump straight and done sauce up already. And we have a sauce already and cook it down with one bag of pepper, one bag of country pepper. You see me?
Yeah, I'm ready for digging, but I don't know him at your pan.
So you don't know the shapes, girl. So 1, 2, 3, jump in it. You see me? Let's say, who first, pizza? That one is hot, man.
It's hot. It's hot in the summer.
Well. So
guys,
people,
if you don't hear no look murmuring, as
two
Zion
dog.
and Pepsi.
Yeah, you don't know so
some would say don't know it will go.
we have two pets right there. One thing go. Where the season down. You see me? But kind of get tired of pepper food. You see me? Don't shit that good well. Yeah. Yeah, man.
One done.
I was going to see after 3 of them. 3 of a bad man.
Ooh.
What's the fish out in my shell? I'm see the pepper and chip off, right? Straight up wickedness. But guys, if you like them type of video, just like, share and comment. Yeah. Fuck.
Guys?
Kind of get used to the pepper.
No.
Pepper food. Good club there, no man.
Tura.
I fuck up the board. Yeah. Doctor. You're wicked. But those that.
Pepper na hot if it hot already.
Yeah. So people, we can finish the challenge.
Like, comment and share, guys.
Yeah. Alright.
Ooh.
Fuck is what they are doing here.
No.
We should eat it after 10 minutes.
Eh?
10 minutes, yeah.
Must be gone. What will I get? What will I get?
4 minutes and 29 seconds.
You might come like a vacuum.
Tree that.
Just slap with the bone them.
Oh! Oh! Give up.
Eat something, man. Let me tell you something.
Can you give me one of big chicken then?
The better the food. You give me like pepper on them. Better put your water heart in the pepper. Mama. But I tell me not trouble me, trouble you here. So I have to quick pepper. Pepper and mad me.
Walk with wow.
Oh?
Walk with wow.
Pepper with wow.
Give up.
Nami something. Nami. Nami go like.
No, darling.
Nami talk on.
No.
Nami talk.
Kaya ka di hungry, Billy man.
No trouble.
Hey!
Kaya ang kaya niya ang pepper food. So ako so.
So,
No. I should tell me. Guys? No one else sabe, man. Tell you.
blame boy.
So the spicy noodle really managing me, I tell you. Spicy noodle, come down. Down! My help pipe. Pass me look. I've been more done a long time. She's not ready for this.
Don't give up.
I am back. The Spicy King is back. I am back. So all who other want challenge me, I am back. Now very very. Yeah. I am back.
I made feed before.
You alright? Me are you on? Who you on? Please, let me tell you something. I'm really hungry.
That's how you fuck it up, so.
Really hungry.
Don't know, guys, when you fuck it up, so can be a pepper like that.
So, original cow's milk, cool pepper, yeah? So, all who never know about that, yeah, try it out when I do a challenge. Yeah? Original cow's milk. Yeah, I'm sure I'm here still.
So, guys, there you have it.
Yeah, people, so
That's the end of the video.
me win, she lose as normal.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you want to see more challenges like this. Don't forget to leave it in the comment section.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Visit our Instagram page. Mine Junior_Jenna. If you want to Determinecavi.
Yeah.
You see me? Our business page is
Cavian Couture.
Cavian Couture.
Follow us on Facebook, Cavian Levy. Follow Billy on Facebook, Junior Jenna. Don't forget to use my code over Lulu Holistic and get on a nice skin care. Yes, if you don't want body butter, if you know, all different type of products, guys. And the link I got in the description box. As always,
yeah, so
use Levy, use my link, and use Levy and go support a girl. Yeah. So I'll see you all.
People remember say visit our merch page on Instagram, which is Cavian
Forever. And we will see you all in our next video.